Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to automatically reserve inventory so you don't have to do that and you can let the power of Distribution Cloud do that for you. Let's dive into the tips and tricks. All right, and this is Mission Control. And in the middle here, we've got this status column, which showcases that there's a lot of documents here without any reservations. With the power of Mission Control and Workflow, you can actually reserve the inventory automatically. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go into Workflow, go into your order workflow, and then pick the queue where you want to do the reservations at. This could be different for you, but in order to do that, all you have to do is open up the queue and then edit it, turn on the automated actions, and then select that you want to reserve inventory for all items whenever you enter into this queue. Quickly save it, apply the changes, and now anytime a document enters into that queue, you're going to reserve the inventory for that document. And that's how you automatically reserve inventory with Distribution Cloud. Please feel free to comment if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks.